what would you like to say to your fans?
Hello, I'm Giga from Cariot, and my message to our fans is always listen to good music, sing for yourself, and don't let them fool you.
Hello, how would you describe this concert?
I think it's the best. It's fantastic. I love it.
Hello, how do you think is going on the concert?
This concept is one of the 10 concepts in the Four Time Rocks tour, and I think it's like always it's the best. Tonight will be very easy to find the best bands.